Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add progress bar in Notion. It's so simple. Here you can see this is the example right now I have. This is the subscriber goal and this is the current subscribers, and I want to add progress bar here. So it's so simple. You just need to click on this plus icon, and here we need to type formula just like this. And if you want to rename this, you can do that too. I want to type here, let's say progress bar. Then here you need to click on edit formula. Then now we need to select the current subscribers from here, then add forward slash, and now select the subscriber goal, because this is the actual goal which I'm currently targeting. Once you do that, just click on save now. Now here you will see the progress bar is currently in decimals, so we need to edit that. So this is the number format which we need to change from decimal to percentage. Okay, once you do that, you will see this is the percentage we are getting. In order to convert this into progress bar, we need to select this one. This is the bar, and you can see we got the bar. Now in order to change the color of this progress bar, you can do that from here. I want a red color, so I can choose red. If you want any color you like, you can just choose that from here. If you don't like this progress bar format, you can convert this into ring one. Here you can see it's look like this. I personally choose the bar here. Then once you do that, if you don't want to show this percentage here, in that case you need to just turn off this show number option, and the percentage will gone and the progress bar is remain only. So that's it guys, this is how you can add progress bar in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.